I'm going to be showing you how to turn off reviews on Facebook Marketplace. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you cannot turn off reviews on Facebook Marketplace for personal reasons. The rating system is mandatory and cannot be disabled for individual seller profiles. Facebook requires buyers and seller ratings to maintain trust in the platform. So no settings exist to hide or disable reviews. Reviews are public and tied to your Facebook profile, not just your marketplace. What you can do instead is report fake and abusive reviews. So if a review violates Facebook's policies, then you can report it. You can go to your marketplace profile right here, and then you just need to find the review, and then you just need to have the option of report review, and that is usually available, and then you can just submit and wait for Facebook's decision. You can also block problematic buyers. So if a buyer leaves unfair reviews, and block them to prevent future interactions. You can encourage more positive reviews after a successful transaction. You can politely ask buyers to leave a rating. So that's how you work around to turning off reviews or getting positive reviews on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.